You've seen many electric trucks, but none quite like this. Tesla has once again redefined the future of transportation with a vehicle that stands out in both design and performance. This truck is not just another EV, it's a technological marvel, built to be rugged, powerful, and unlike anything else on the market. But what makes it truly special? Today we're diving deep into the electric heart of this machine, showing you the cutting-edge powertrain that makes it a beast on the road. Welcome to the Gear Guru, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive reviews. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. We bring you the latest insights on the hottest cars and trucks, and today we're giving you an exclusive look at the Tesla truck's electric powertrain from a unique perspective. Right from above, showcasing everything that powers this futuristic machine. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, or in this case, inside the frunk. Unlike traditional gas-powered trucks with complex combustion engines, Tesla has revolutionized the truck industry with an all-electric dual tri-motor setup. The moment you open the frunk, you're greeted with a clean, futuristic layout that hides immense power beneath. From this top-down angle, we get a crystal-clear view of the battery connections, cooling pipes, inverters, and high-voltage wiring, all the essential components that drive this machine. This isn't just an engine bay, it's a showcase of cutting-edge engineering. One of the most impressive aspects is the cooling system. Tesla has designed an advanced liquid cooling mechanism to maintain optimal battery and motor temperatures, ensuring peak efficiency even under extreme conditions. Unlike traditional cooling systems, which rely on bulky radiators, Tesla's system is compact yet highly effective, providing consistent temperature regulation without compromising performance. Then we have the high-voltage wiring, the lifeline of this truck. Tesla's signature orange cables are clearly visible, marking the flow of energy from the massive battery pack to the motors. This high-voltage setup is engineered for both safety and efficiency, ensuring maximum power output without overheating or unnecessary energy loss. But let's not forget the inverters, a crucial part of the electric drivetrain. These inverters convert DC power from the battery into the AC power needed to drive the motors. Tesla's inverters are known for their efficiency, allowing the truck to deliver instant torque with lightning-fast acceleration. Whether you're off-roading, towing heavy loads, or simply enjoying the futuristic ride, this electric powertrain ensures you're always in control. Another standout feature is the placement of the battery pack, which is integrated into the floor of the truck. This not only lowers the center of gravity for better stability, but also provides additional protection against impacts. The entire underbody is reinforced with Tesla's signature exoskeleton frame, making it one of the toughest trucks ever built. Looking at the overall design, Tesla has ensured that every component under the hood is built for durability and longevity. The frunk itself is spacious, providing extra storage space without compromising on performance. This added utility makes the Tesla truck not just an off-road monster, but also a practical daily driver. And let's not forget the showroom setting. The way the stainless steel body reflects the bright showroom lights, the Tesla branding in the background, and the overall sleek presentation make this truck look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But this isn't fiction. It's real, and it's changing the future of transportation. So what do you think about this next-gen electric truck? Does Tesla's unique design and powerful electric powertrain make it the best in the game? Let us know in the comments. Also, tell us, which car or truck do you want us to review next? Drop your suggestions below, and we'll make sure to bring you another in-depth review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Thanks for watching the Gear Guru. We'll see you in the next one.